Fundamentals of Chinese 1, Unit 11. Would you like to play ball? Grammar it. Okay, we're on page 112 of your textbook. Pause here, grab your textbook, and get a pen or a pencil so you can take notes. Okay, first we saw this verb here, 想. Okay, it has a lot of meanings, but in this lesson it's used as a modal verb indicating a desire to do something. And it must be followed by a verb or some kind of clause. Okay, so here we see we have 想 here, and then it's followed by the verb 听 to listen to something. Okay, so it has to be followed by a verb because it's want to do something or would like to do something. So after this to in English, you always need to have a verb that follows it. And 想 kind of works in the same way. So you want to do some kind of action, and any kind of action is represented by a verb. So here we have 你想听音乐吗? Do you want to listen to music, or do you want to listen to some music? Okay, over to page 113, we have some more examples. Here we have 白老师想打球，可是王老师不想打. Okay, so here we have 白老师 wants to play sports or play a ball, or feels like playing ball, but teacher Wang does not want to play. Okay, so you very simply 想 I want to. If it's I don't want to, you just put the 不 in front of it to make it negative. Here's another example. 你想不想看中国电影? So you remember the verb 不 verb question format, right? 你想不想看中国电影? Okay, do you feel like or do you want to see a Chinese movie? Okay, so here you have 你想不想, and then the verb that follows is 看, watch a Chinese movie. Here we have 你想不想听外国音乐? Right? Do you want to listen to foreign music? Okay, you don't want to confuse 想 with some other verbs, okay? So like in English, would like to do something or have a desire to do something is different than liking something, right? You go to a restaurant, I would like Coca-Cola with my meal, okay? But I like Coca-Cola is different, okay? I would like a Coca-Cola means you have a desire to have one with your meal. I like Coca-Cola means you like it. You don't dislike it. You like it in general. Okay, so it's the same in Chinese. 想 and 喜欢 are very different. Okay, you 想, you want to do something. You want to go to the movies. You want to go to sleep. You want to visit your parents. You want to get a job. Okay, this is to like something. Okay, maybe you don't like working, but you want to get a job to make money, right? So 我不喜欢工作，但是我想找到一份工作, right? I don't like working, 我不喜欢, but I want to find a job. 我想找到 a job, right? So these two are very different, and you can't interchange them. 想 and 觉得 are similar. They both mean, to think, but the former means to desire something, whereas the latter means to feel or to have an opinion or have a comment about something. Okay. Okay, next we have the verb plus object as a detachable compound. So you've been learning some words that are actually verb-object combinations. Okay, so you've learned 睡觉 means to sleep. You've learned that 唱歌 means to sing. And you've learned that 跳舞 means to dance. But grammatically speaking, even though they're treated as a word, grammatically speaking, they are all verb-object compounds. Okay, and so when there's an attributive element to modify the object, to modify a sleep or a song or a dance, right? It has to go in between this verb and this object, this verb and this object, this verb and this object. So let's take a look at the examples that we have here. Okay, we have 睡觉, which means to sleep, but 睡一个好觉. Okay, so here's the 睡 and here's the 觉, and in the middle we put 一个好, a good one, right? Have a good sleep or sleep a good sleep. Have a good sleep. Okay, here we have 唱歌. Here we have the 唱歌. Okay, but now we're gonna 唱英文歌. Okay, we're gonna sing an English song. 唱英文歌. Okay, so we separated this verb-object detachable compound and inserted a attributive element in it to modify it. Okay, here we have 跳舞, to dance, and here we have the 跳, and here we have the 舞, and we put 中国 in the middle, so we can say 跳中国舞, do a Chinese dance. Okay, and in later lessons we will see examples of other elements that can also be inserted in between a verb object detachable compound. And that concludes this grammar lesson.